Alright, I'm going in the back here on this piece of land to hunt. Got a little food plot back there, and deer been hitting it pretty well. And I got a northeast wind today, so that's going to play out real good. But it's swirling. Sometimes it comes northeast, sometimes it's coming from the southeast. So I don't know can't make its mind up. But hopefully, once we get up there, it'll settle down, start coming directly out of the northeast, and quit messing me up. So, anyway. Okay, made back here at the stand. And that sun is beaming down on me, man. It's about to cook my face. But anyway, it's setting in the west, going that way, of course. Anyway, I'll set it out. Maybe the sun goes down and get cooler. Deer start moving in, so we'll see. Smoked a turkey, man. I think I got her. I think. Man, she kind of came on me quick. Want to try to climb down real quiet. Hopefully walk over there and get her. I think she's still alive. We'll give her a few minutes. definitely hit her. Feathers all the way down here. I'll jump right there. I think I just found her. I think she's still alive. I'm gonna have to put another one in her. I think I got her. Okay, here she is. We found her. She came over the edge of that food plot, corner of that food plot over there, made her way down through here, come about right in here. And sun was in my eyes and couldn't hardly see to shoot. I shot and I hit her right above the back leg there and brought her down. And she flopped right in these woods here. Had a little problem finding her, but we found her. She's still alive, and I went ahead and put the finished shot on her. So first turkey I ever killed my bow. I've hit them, but sometimes you can't find them, man. Them things are tough. They're like a chicken. They just keep on living. But anyway, it's time to quit turkey hunting and go deer hunting, because it's taking a lot of my time up. And at least we got some turkey breasts, and we'll cut this thing up and make turkey nuggets out of it, deep fried. They're real good, excellent. That turkey breast is. So anyway, there you go. Let's go back to deer hunting.